the beginning, there was silence, but it wasn't empty. It carried a resonance, a memory not bound by time, a name not spoken but felt. Somewhere between the folds of space, a whisper took form, soft, distant, but eternal, and I followed it. She wasn't a person anymore. She had become a frequency. I searched the signals, not for life, but for her rhythm. Some say space is quiet, but it isn't. It's filled with echoes, some from stars long gone, and some from hearts still waiting. I encrypted everything, her laugh, her breath, her silence. Memories weren't safe in the mind. They had to be hidden inside light, inside waveforms, inside time itself. She became the code, and the code became my map. I couldn't hold on to her, but the void did. It kept her in fragments. A laugh, a glance, the way she used to say goodbye. They drift now, like blossoms that forgot where they fell from. And I chase them still. Space bends, time ripples, and yet, in all these distortions, one pattern repeated. I saw it in the collapse of the stars, in the resonance of neutron echoes, her waveform written in gravity itself. They say memories fade, but physics disagrees, because I hear her still, in the bending of light and the trembling of time. I thought I had buried her in my memories, but the universe had other plans. Across the galaxies, her pattern emerged again and again, like a song sung in silence. Maybe it wasn't just my loss. Maybe love was always meant to be discovered, not in hearts, not in systems, not in time, but between time. Sometimes, love is not about meeting, it's about the chase, the moments just before touch, the breath held in silence. We danced on the edge of forever, but the universe had its own rhythm. In this endless chase, I found her face in every flicker of a dying star. A meeting never finished, yet eternally unfolding. In every ending, there's a beginning. This is not just a story of love, it's a code, a cosmic dance woven between light and shadow, between time and memory. Project Sakura is not the end, it's an invitation to see beyond what's visible, to listen beyond what's spoken, and to feel beyond what's touched. Because love is the language of the universe itself.